Hello! Today we are renting a kayak from the Crystal River Kayak Company and Dive Center to visit Three Sisters Springs and Hunter Park. Come join us on this adventure. Three Sisters Spring is located about an hour from the city of Ocala, Florida. We chose the Crystal River Kayak Company because they are located on the same canal as Three Sisters Springs. You can only get to the springs by boat. There are two separate areas to Three Sisters Springs. We will be talking about the other area on another video, but today we are only visiting the springs. Look for the link below for prices at Crystal River Kayak Company. This place offers $8 boat launches. Parking is free here. Here is a map of the area we kayaked. As you can see, we visited Three Sisters Springs and then made our way over to Hunter Park before coming back to Kings Bay. Our trip took us about 5 hours. The journey to the springs is very interesting as you travel under a bridge through a tube. The outside of the springs is named Idiot's Delights because sometimes people think this is where the spring is located. Go past the sign to enter the real spring area. Paddling crafts are allowed into the spring area when it is not manatee season. The dates are as following: April 1st to November 14th. Once manatee season begins, you have to park your kayak on the outside of the springs and swim in. This is the canoe parking area located just outside the spring. The water is clear and filled with wildlife. We saw so many fish and even a duck. Unfortunately, no manatees. Maybe next time. Once we were done swimming, we climbed back into our canoe and made our way to Kings Bay. Next, we headed to Hunter's Park. This is a real nice area to swim and another place where you can enter the water with a kayak or canoe to visit the Three Sisters Springs. It costs $5 to park here. Look for our next video for a more detailed glance at Hunter Park. Our journey took us back to Kings Bay and the Crystal River Preserve. There are plenty of areas to enjoy boating along the bay. Thank you for watching our video on Three Sister Springs via the Crystal River Kayak and Dive Company. We hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you with planning your travels. Please hit that like and subscribe button below as we will be uploading more videos on places we discover. And remember to join us next time as we continue to explore places big and small. Thank you.